Hello creators, welcome back to Tutorial for All. Today I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing tool that can elevate your video editing game. Emoticon, Animated Emojis. Pack for Premiere Pro. This pack is perfect for anyone looking to add fun, expressive, and engaging elements to their projects. Whether you're editing YouTube videos, creating social media content, or working on professional projects, these animated emojis will make your videos pop with personality. One of the best things about this pack is how simple it is to use. With seamless drag and drop functionality, even beginners can quickly enhance their edits without needing to navigate complex settings. The animations are fully customizable, allowing you to adjust the size, position, and even the timing to fit your vision perfectly. Now, I've made it super easy for you to access this pack. The download link is right here on the screen, in the video description below, and pinned in the first comment. So don't miss out. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And subscribe to our channel for more templates, editing tips, and design resources. Your support means the world and helps us keep bringing you quality content. Thanks for watching and happy editing. See you in the next video.